Hello, today everyone. Today we'll be talking about inequality, and I want you to put your attention to this topic with the called inequality. Now, the debilitating of timber, what are the basic operation inside inequalities? It's what I will try to explain to you, and we do some example to be able to understand it very well. To any question you see something like that and you're doing your work or you're with damp or you're damp, you'll be able to solve it without having threat. So please I need your concentration and your attention to it. Now the devolution of timber. The following timbers are used instead of the inequality timber to denote inequality. Look at the timbers that you need to know. Number one thing you need to know is it turn. If you have something that is turn, that is arrow, that turn to left, while on something up is that under it, it made less than or equal to. Anytime you're having something that is like this in form of this, it made less than or equal to. That is what it means there. So it means, for example, now if I have my 8 less than 4, 8 less than 4. If I have 8 less than 4, you don't remember that you have something like this. It means 8 less than or equal to 4. It means that 8 is less than or equal to what? 4, like I've explained. So it's not hard at all. Then number 2 is this symbol. What we have something like this. So it means this one made only less than. I getting it? Only made what? Only less than. So it means that it made less than. For example now, 3 is less than 5. Yes or no? It's true. Because 3, it means that 3 is less than 5. You can't say 5 is less than 5. 5 is less than 3. It's 1. So 3 is less than 5. And the next thing is what? It's greater than or equal to. That is what it means here. If you have something like this, that is like this, in form of this, it means greater than or equal to. That is it. Now, for example, we have 8 greater than or equal to means that 8 is greater than or equal to 10. I think it now. And the next one is this. It means this and that only does greater than. I get it to that. It means that 5 is greater than 3. Why do we say that 3 is less than 5? So, but you can do 5 greater than 3. I think it now. Now, the next thing to know is also if for any set of a real number A, B, and C, where A greater than B and B less than C, then A is less than C. Why? Because, for example, now listen carefully. We have 3 less than 7. You know that one, yes? Thank you. Now, another one is that 7 is also less than 12. But in between the range of 3, 7, and 12, it means that 3 is less than 7 and 7 less than 12. Definitely 3 is less than 12. That is, then 3 is less than 12. That is, if it falls between the range of 3 less than 7, less than 12. That is, from here mapping to here, that's 3 less than 12. That is, it falls between the range of what? Of 7. That is 3 in between the range of 3 to 10, 3 to 12. That is 3 less than 7, less than 12. You don't understand it now. Now we're going to the addition and multiplication of inequality now. We'll be able to understand it. Now, root in inequality. Root in inequality. Number one, we have what we call addition root. Addition root. Now, listen carefully. It's very simple. Just listen. Number one, if x less than y, if x is less than y, then we take x plus z less than y plus z. It means that, for example, if we have x plus y plus z less than y plus z. It tells you that we have x this y plus z. This plus z, if we go to this side, it means it turns to what? Negative. So we have minus z. And you can count this one. So we have x less than y. That's why we have x less than y here. I think now. So the same way we did it for x greater than y. I think now. Now, example. Example 1 says find the value of x for which x minus 3 less than 5. The next question is x plus 7 less than 2x plus 4. And the next question is 3y minus 7 greater than 2y plus 1. Remember that this symbol means what? Less than. This symbol means what? Greater than. Now let me stop it for you so I understand it. Now, solution A. We have x minus 3 less than 5. Now, to find the value of this x now, look at it now. We have less than here and we have minus 3. We are finding the value of x. It's not a number, it's an alphabet. We are finding the value of x, so here they will now have, we say, because of this negative turn to here will become what? Plus. So you just say add 3 to both sides. Are you getting it? So when we add 3 to both sides, you have x minus 3 plus 3 less than 5 plus 3. Are you seeing it now? That is, you are trying to tell them that you are adding 3 to both sides. You are adding 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 what here. So that is it. 3 here and 3 here. So 1 minus 3 plus 3 will give you 0. So you have x plus 0 less than 5 plus 3, 8. So x plus 0, we have x less than 8. That is what it means here. Very simple activity. Are you getting it now? Then the next question you have B. We have x plus 7, 2x plus what? 4. The same thing with this one too. You have x here. First of all, do it step by step by bringing this one to here. So we have this positive here. We carry this plus 2x to here. That will turn to here negative. So we have subtract 2x from both sides. Remember, listen carefully. In mathematics, we need to know how we need to man our English language. Now, anything we are bringing to here is from, but anything we are taking to here, it was to. If I'm, for example, now, if we are doing somewhere, we say I'm coming from a different. Are you seeing now? So definitely, if we are bringing something to this plate, it means what? From that, if you are subtracting this 2 from the plate, from here. Are you getting it? But you know that you are telling this one to what? To go here. Are you getting it? So now try x minus 2x plus 7. Remember that I plus 7 to there. Then less than 2x plus 4 minus 3x. Are you getting it? That is, we are subtracting this 2x from both sides, either here and here. So this 2x, we cancel this 2x. So now I have x minus 2x plus 7 less than 4. I think now. Now, the next thing to do so that this one will go to here, we will make the formula of this. Are you getting it? So now to that subtract, because it's plus here. Now to subtract 7 to both sides. So now I have x minus 2x plus 7 minus 7, 4 less than 4 minus 7. You can count it. We have x minus 2x less than 4 minus 7. We have minus 3. So now that x minus 2x, we have what? Minus x less than minus 3. I think now. Now, remember that we are finding the value of x. So note, be very careful that anytime we have negative and we are dividing, note, if dividing by negative, at this means negative, the inequality will change. Are you getting it? It will change. Whereby, look at it. we have minus 8 less than minus 3. When we are dividing by minus here, when we are dividing both by minus, we have 8 greater than 3 because the inequality, the symbol inequality will change because we are dividing both by negative. I'm getting it, but assume it only assume it only assume it it only 8 less than minus 3. Definitely did the hunter. Because we are not dividing anything, but assume it like this, that we divide both by negative, the inequality will change. But like this, assume it like this, that's the answer. I get it. So now, I don't know, I want you to try your best by doing this exercise for yourself. By doing this exercise for yourself and get back to me. Thank you, God bless you.